Let's talk about how to supersize your business, even with Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Now, I've got Elsa because there's some lore and some tie-in between Elsa, according to my granddaughter, and Jack Frost. Not sure what it is, if it's a brother-sister thing or a romantic relationship. I know there's a Jack Frost series, a kid's show I've never seen. But Jack Frost nipping at your nose means, of course, that cold, dark days are coming. Bad weather's coming. Cold is coming because Jack Frost likes to freeze our face and freeze our nose. Now, Jack Frost, although he's most popular, the tale of Jack Frost, the stories of Jack Frost, the Christmas songs, the Christmas stories are most popular in North America and Britain. He actually originates in Anglo-Saxon or Scandinavian lore. He's believed to be the son or sons. There's some confusion in the etymology of Jack Frost or his origins. There's the son or sons of Ceri, the Norse god of the North, had either one or two sons called Jockul Frosty. And supposedly Jockul and Frosty both mean the same, are two different names for the same son. But it's very confusing if you go back and do the research and look through the information. And it just goes to remind us that sometimes and very often the origin of things, the meaning of things gets twisted and messed up and confused over time, even if there's a lot of reports or a lot of different stories. So the question, I think, is, was Jack Frost a real person or not? And I don't think we know. I kind of doubt it. I don't know for sure, but the accounts of him as a person are iffy. Kind of like Santa Claus, is Santa Claus a real person, or are there just tons of stories about Santa Claus and St. Nicholas, etc.? So it's up for each and every one of us to decide. So how does this apply to supersizing and grow our business? Well, it reminds us that often when we're growing and building our business, we're not going to have all the information, or we're going to have conflicting information, and it's going to be up to us to use our best judgment, use our thinking and our reasoning and our gut instinct as well to decide what is the right thing for us to do. It reminds us that we need to be prepared for the ups and downs of business. Maybe you're in a seasonal business. A lot of people do the vast majority of their business this time of year. If your business is like that, what are you doing for the other times of year to kind of exponentially smooth your income and your profits? Are you planning for that? Are you thinking about that? What kind of preparation are you making? We want to make sure that we have plans in place or ideas or problem-solving, decision-making tools and strategies to call upon whenever we are faced with a change or a challenge or something that we're not sure what to do with. That's what Jack Frost reminds us of, that the cold weather will come. There's ups and downs in all of our businesses. I don't know anyone that started their business and it just made a meteoric rise to the top with no blips in between. It wasn't just a straight line up. There's always a little bit of up and down. And I think that it reminds us to look for the fun and the joy in the holiday season, no matter what the background, no matter what the story is. Look for the joy and the fun in growing and building our business, and figure out what's important to you, what's important to the impact that you want to make on the world, and make sure you're incorporating that into your business, no matter what's going on outside of you, in the economy, in the politics, in religion, in the environment, in the world around you. Make sure you're building the thing that you want to see and create in the world. So love to know your experience with Jack Frost nipping at your nose. I live in Wisconsin, so I have the majority of my life. So I've had a lot of experience with my nose freezing and my fingers and toes and Jack Frost nipping at my nose. Love to hear yours. Share in the comments below. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another winter, cold, end of the year, Christmas related idiom for the month of December. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, see you tomorrow.